Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Long time no see.
Yes, I'm busy.
You are busy man.
Yes, I'm busy.
So from where you came now?
I came college. And you?
I came from coaching center. Have you bought something for it day?
No. And you?
No, still now I have not bought anything. But I have to shopping. So when will you go to shopping?
I will go to shopping tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow.
So what time will you go to shopping?
I will go to shopping in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Yes, afternoon.
So what will you buy?
I will buy Punjabi. I will buy pajama and pair of shoes. I will buy nice watch and colorful glass.
Hey bro,
That's it.
hey bro, if you believe it or not, if you wear this kind of dress, colorful sunglass and valuable or expensive watch and nice t-shirt and pants, pair of shoes, you will look like awesome bro.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you too. So bro, I have to shopping like you. So when will you go to shopping? Call me. I will go with you.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy many things like you that you are said. I want to buy a pair of shoes, a t-shirt, pajama, Punjabi, and colorful sunglass, etc.
Okay, I will see you when I will go.
Thank you. Nice to talk to you,
Nice to talk you too.
and have a good day.
Okay, see you. Okay, see you.